ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ngalong Bhabriew kaba like I don't stop, hayeng yang agi shake hot Duracell.
Ini di kasopti Ïathoh Jong anti Jong participated and I won as a first runners up. Ta kasopti Ïathoh Jong nana. So sometimes buang ka life journey kalong very unpredictable. Ka if you prepare kam julo.
Mentagasngi hakani ka program na ka menor. In yo lat banyak keren, but ikong Pinky Maring ibala yo ra yakanam First Miss Meghalaya, house nem shi hajar kandai spa, kandai popra. Nipya subhai pi mo kong Pinky Maring sang ni ka program ka jongi. But kung bangi tip hiru ba pi pilong balong First Miss Meghalaya hakan di ka jala ka jongi. Di kalong ka ek ka nam ka bala kraw ba mo. Kam tam ki por menswa. Di haswa bangin sedang ni ka jinga kran jongi aku apa yang subhai pi sang ni ka program jongi sa isian. But pila ro ban pin itu kendian halo jong pi pin itu kambal si ki dong pe ki jongi.
Kubli shibo ni pi kong Juliana. Nga kerteng Pinky Maring. Nga di na po nong Mardon Riboy District and mentang asyong nga sa po umpling Shillong.
Di habangi keren pat long halo ka Johnny jong pi kum First Miss Meghalaya mo. Pila abni tu kum no pi poi ben Ïashimbynta siya kani ka contest.
Ngil nadu dang rit hi nga stunat bah ban Ïashimbynta hakino ki competition. Te ngan ay example ko way nga nang dan shpong ni kat ways nem kata kapor ngalit siya po Delhi. Nga participate ikani ka taekwondo championship te not only that porbalong hapo gohatiru ngialit biang ya ka juhi kata po kadi jong ka taekwondo hi nginang don hapo jong ka khat arts nem te house nem 1997 nga after exam nga lit ka siya po silcha di shnong jong ipa and there nga participate ken ikani ka Miss Barak 1997 te porba nga participate ya ka na yang ru ki support yang ki yarap with the dress, costume, jewelry, everything like badan kam hakatu ka competition and ngara ru ya ka first runners up hakatu ka poro apo 1997. Te ki dur jong kita ngibu kan ni display kan hayeng kunta te don ne iway I dukot na ka seng jong ka Miss Meghalaya kom ka paila association hakata ka por ki wan kai hayeng jongi they for you just randomly ki kenya kata kadur and ki pan smooth ye me pa jongi and ki pan encourage ba like bangan mi khmat bangan at least ban participate hakanika Miss Meghalaya 1998 hadin kata in 1999 nga participate biang ya ka Miss Northeast Teenager Queen hang taro nga job kom first runners up biang and then talab kata nga pass out na po Ledikin College and 2000 ngalit puli na siya po Delhi. Nga pandep ika graduation ng Thei, hadin ika post-graduation pat ngalit na siya po Chennai. Ika post-graduation pat ngalit no haka media presentation. Teka ni ka course kala yarap bahaya nga ban mi biang hakiwe pat kini ki Jingïakob ngalit hapo ka theater, ngalit hakini ki shows, ki events, and then under many good directors. In fact, like ngala Ïathoh but Sir Kamalasan, we share a stage together. Ïathoh lang but and it was a very big thing yang ako kapor.
Hello people, this is Pinky, hailing from the Scotland of the East, Shillong. Graduated from Delhi University and currently doing a diploma course from Loyola College. Some of my hobbies include modeling, acting, dancing, watching TV, listening to music, and I love cooking. You know why? Because I crave for food like nobody's business.
Marsendep ya kini ka course, marsendep kini ki theater work jonga, kini ki acting events jonga, ki workshop jonga. Ngalit no siya banjoin ya ka airlines. So I was a flight attendant hapo Jet Airways. So ngatre hapo Bombay ro, ngatre hapo Chennai ro. Te porba tre hangta ngayo biang offer na po international te ngalit na siya po Bahrain. Te nga fly no ya kanika Gulf Air International ken nga fly no hangta. Te ka journey jo nga kalong kumta kumbang nga kaloy ka bajrong ba. And then after that pat danga hausnem 2007 nga resign as a senior cabin crew. And dangala adap resign pat how to juice nem hi nga Ïathoh. And marsin Ïathoh pat hakata within hapo jong kashibnai mga bat ilok ngilet no siya po Scotland. Ngisa no siya Thei. So for 1 year ngidon siya Thei siya po Scotland. Kajaka pa kerteng Aberdeen ngidon siya Thei. And then porbengi one pipe at nangta ngayo pat banlong as an aviation faculty hapo Frankfurt hapo Calicut. Ngatre hang ta kum shisnem tam EA. And then because ilok jonga isya pus hapo Gurgaon, then nga shift no siya po Gurgaon. Nangala po siya po Gurgaon pat like you know hang to kapor like transportation was very difficult yang bangan travel na po Gurgaon siya po Delhi ban as an aviation faculty ken. Te nga ngalong Bhabriew ka ba like I don't stop. You know hayeng yang agi shake hot Duracell. So nakaway ka iba nga tumu mga ka iba nga kwa mga ngam just stop yalade. So nang tupat I shifted myself ka whole career jo nga pat siya ka teaching. Tingas dang bandet ya kanika teachers training course ka tengka MMI.
Gurgaon.
Hapo Gurgaon. It's called Modern Montessori International Training. Tengalit ya kata kum shisnem shiteng. Hadin kata ngatre hapo Gurgaon as a Montessori teacher. Dan marsendap katapat dangla adap tre hapo Gurgaon katu kat ni snem then ngia let no siya po London ni settle no siya Thei. Te hang Thei ru hadin katu kat ni snem dangala yok ko ni dangala along ready biang bangan let tre then nga hikay school biang hang Thei both hapo government sector and as well as international sector.
London.
Hapo London. So hadin kata ka life ngan ongkum no it's unpredictable hakapor banga wan kai biang shane ngisakut haka covid and then hadin kata pat there was no international flight pengin let fly biang siya taken te hanta kapor umdan bette balano kan kin pelat bengin let biang hanta kapor fi kali yanoro nobody knows ba ngin le ayu manta so he decide no bingin Jong no hangne and then kata ka decision kalong very instantly they bangil a plan lupa ne bangila perkat lupa bangin le and it was a very drastic change yangi like ngila shabar ngila pule shabar ngila tre shabar and suddenly when shim kata ka decision kalong a very big thing tangba instantly ngishim kata ka decision Ishim kata ka decision ipanet skoli ki khon hangne online and then ngimutru bangin in sa yo lat bangin ne let biang ayin kata pat I just said that kani kadiga jaka jonga so I just want to be here manta ngadon business la jong I own a pharmacy ani hajani apo umpling ngadon ka pharmacy and ngadon ka ayu ka food chain jonga it's called Food Costa ante apo Nigrams so kani ka Food Costa I'm partnered with a friend of mine and gile lang ni kata
dia kini kapor pat gin ya pai biang shadien kam shadien dian mo lo ka journey jong pi ko Miss Meghalaya long ha ka to kapor am na dangi ong ba gini khna samla la ki kwa ban contest mo ka no beauty pageant na yeng na sambun ba long ki long hesitate te mar ba kim tip ka long kum no ka industry mo dina ka liang ke yeng ka sam jong pi pan ki kum no I me pa long ki long support ne
I mean hakawi ka liang yes I'm very grateful ba imi pa jongi I support yanga okay por bangale kini competition par khoi ki abut yanga hakti hakajat not only that ki I ru yanga kamen same and also kiarap ru yang aba ngin pong Ïashimbynta ngin riam kumno ka bakan itanat nai rikhi thanre nai phai thanre kumta, okay, yat kumta. So these are the small things, okay. Kapan I man sim bha yangi hakatu kapor ngidang long khana nginang biet ting yat ngi sngo kumba ani ngila yat la ani la tip top ha tang ba ka jing pet jong ki Bhabriew pat kam itanat te it is like a mirror. Your family is like a mirror. Kapapan yangi ba okay to fi ben le no kumni ki ai nuksa to nai le than kumni to ong kumta por papi jubab, you know, shimpos that nice that than, you know, rikhi tang handiat tang ban itanat, you know, all those things.
Hello people, welcome back to our show Southern Spice Strength Train. I've got a caller right now. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Who's this?
I'm Rohan.
You're Rohan from which place?
Hello,
From which place?
I'm from Chennai.
From Chennai. So what do you do, Rohan?
I'm working in advertising.
Okay. So would you like to request any song for the day?
I'd like to request a song from Michael Jackson.
Okay. So like any particular?
Black and White.
Okay, black or white. You would like to dedicate this to anyone?
To all my friends and you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rohan, for calling.
Yeah.
And keep calling.
Thank you.
This is a song from Rohan Michael.
Kumno kani ka jing job jong PM kapan kalai ka journey jong P ki roles and responsibility jong P nata kumno ka change ka life jong P.
Even for me, like, you know, por banga mi ikini contest bar khoi, I had to brush up many things nadu bayad, nadu kini changing of dress, nadu ki makeup. I had to be with the makeup artist for hours and hours, but okay, for this look kan biang ne am, for that look kan biang ne am. We had like hapo any competition jong in beauty contest feel like kim juriam tang ka dress. So we had an attire, like, you know, a sports attire, we had a traditional wear, we had a formal wear, a cocktail wear. You had to spend hours with your beautician so that she knows your skin tone, she knows your hair, kumno ban set up, because during competition film done por you have like say less than 10 minutes piap change. The hakatu kapor, I still remember I am on my shoes and everything, and then shukawang kumto hap yayad, and then you get dressed up, then suddenly your hair piap say biang. The hang to kapor, like, you know, you have to be very fast, and at the same time you have to carry yourself also very elegantly, graceful piap ra kumtuhi, because that's how you come out apo stage kumtoro.
Te hakano ka dur pat kani kerensan ka kwam klip hi ba kaya ram ne em ni kilong kemel ni kena samla ki badan ki ba kwam ni Ïashimbynta ni ki badan benta hakatu kerensan kaya ram ne em bat hakano ka dur kaya ram
kano ka competition ro kam nam one hakmat jong pi. Let's say yes fi yo ka opportunity ba fen take part tang ba ka de hakti jong pi pat ba kumno fa fen present yalade ne kumno ba fen an ong no yakun mo I rank hakini ki competition bakan yarap ya piru kum ki kena samla ni kum ki long kumi hadin jong ka competition, because during the competition ki Bhabriew kum ki judges, ki Bhabriew kum ki petba, ki Bhabriew kum ki photographer, ki Bhabriew kum ki journalist, okay, ki pet ya pi tang bapet ya kajing Bhabriew jong pi ki pet kum no pi kren, kum no pi shong, kum no pi jubab, kumno fi ya day bat ki we ki para contestant ru ne ki para baya trelang bat ki staff katu ka jinglong jong pi ka jingyat jong pi kaya kapen ya kiru ba pilong kumno ki jat Bhabriew te ya katu pat kapen long no ka opportunity kumanta if there is a magazine director bawan hang to, so they would come particularly hakini kum kini ki contest ben pet balak, okay, ngidon manta kum kawe ka movie, ni ngidon kawe ka show shabar, ni ngidon kawe ka workshop, yanong insyem.
Di kong pinky la sina kalian so fish abin penkut ke ikan message ke ba ban ai ki kena samla.
Nga ko ban ong ba hab minot ba because kem jing minot phim nam poi she ru and umde tang ka jing minot ru ka wei ru ka long very important ba within your support na yeng kalong kumba ai man sim you know yengi ki participation hab ong no kumta because kan ka journey jongi kam nam kot hangta kanang long it's the beginning kadai bas dang te kano ka ka bangis dang ka kalong bada kas dang na po kalong yang kalong sutanat bha imde tang itu participation ru even de ki job lele even ka pandra nam burom ya kayeng so only message bang ako abangan ai ba work hard, work smarter, and don't stop dreaming. Age is just a number.
It doesn't matter yanga, but like whether my costume is ready or not, whether like everything is ready or not. For me, participation was very important. Kani di kasopti Ïathoh Jong anti Jong ngong ngas ngobah se pan le alter se yanga namar bang hak phong hani contest te ibapli ipan le okay kikti ila pan khap namar ka pum bha hangne kikti namar man handai ti kipong kiti ba pum ha kilapan ot lapan kumni ngapong participated and I won as a first runners up taka sopti Ïathoh Jong inana ha udan jaku jail na lalu prasad so his wife took over. So the question was asked like so what do you think that like she's a woman so what do you think that like Bhabriew Devi like is she doing injustice to the chair okay that question was asked and at that time I had no clue who is this Bhabriew Devi. Na baru pagi costume pek le Manipuri dress so many okay nga you ki orang na em kan ibapla pat judan bale so they took this and made it as a calendar. So sometimes buang ka life journey kalau very unpredictable. If you prepare, come julo. Yeah. Even I contested for Miss Northeast also. After that contest, I didn't one ika teenager. But one contest ika Miss Northeast 1999 untuk kapor Jong. But I was in the top 5 untuk kapor. Then if I don't be sad, participate then ika teenager pat kayo first runners up. So this was organized by Fashion Society.
Nga kwa ban ai kublay yaki buying basen jonga badan support riboy kamtam yaka riboy dorbar sports association kabala don ramkat lang bat nga nadu manswa or banga contest ki khot yang akum ka khon okay and nga kwa ban ai kublay nadu na po man siam bakila don ramkat lang bat nga even hakani ka por ka ba nga don kam so katanga ko apan ai kublay also yeki parlok parajor badan umde tangane po shilong habar ko ki barjala bangi ithu ithau bahing basam ko apan ai kublay yeki waro ye firu kumju.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center